Hello, I'm Craig Simpson with Jim Houston.
Welcome to what is looking like an exciting exhibition game. Yashev gets hold of the puck. Kucherov brings it in. Pass back. Carlson with the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Backstrom takes possession of the puck. Kucherov. Carlson jumps on it. Rome out of their defensive end. Wilson. Bogosian jumps on the loose puck. Colton gets it. Paul scoops it up. Colton one-times it. That Riemsdyk gets in the way. Paul. Colton with the puck. Oshie. Washington wins the race and beats out the icing call. Washington gets it. Scores!
Tough to stop a shot like that, Jim. The release is so fast, the goalie isn't sure where it's coming from.
And just like that, it's a 1-0 lead.
The defense has to realize if you're going to give them a line on the net, they're going to take the shot. It's time to get working.
Geno, blistering shot. Fehervari takes control of the puck. Kucherov, backhanded shot. Kemper turned the shot away. Moved up. Brings it out. Ovechkin grabs the puck, taken out. That shook him up. Hedman gets hold of the puck. Ovechkin mows him down. Sandin. Point jumps on the loose puck. Sandin straight arms Killorn. Moved ahead. Tampa puts its checking line out. Rifles the shot. Milano takes control of the puck. Killorn advances the puck. Working along the perimeter. Colton gets shoved. Kuznetsov with the puck. Hammered.
That's how you keep them in their place.
Kemper made the kick save. Passed ahead. Over the blue line. Last one. Scores! They're definitely struggling early.
Down by 2 is a recipe for disaster.
In over the line. In the corner.
Number 39, Anthony.
Smith jumps on the loose puck.
Number 3,
Washington beats out the icing call. Tampa grabs it. Hagel. Washington scooped it up. Backstrom. Washington now with it. Turned aside by Vasilevsky. Wilson takes possession of the puck.
Line 2.
Alexander Ovechkin gets checked.
Line 3.
Quick pass up. Carlson knocked him off the puck. Perry intercepts the pass. Cole. Perry finds the loose puck. Killorn grabs Killorn. Scores!
That was a close one. A little higher, and he's hitting the crossbar.
That cuts the lead to 1 midway through the first.
Now it's anyone's game, because one good shot, and this game's tied.
Killorn. The goal was unassisted.
Jensen. Kuznetsov got the puck. Shoots quickly. Door slammed shut by Vasilevsky. Moved up. Tampa puts its scoring line out. Point dumps the puck in. Sandin finds it. He gets nailed. He takes control of the puck. Strome. Washington picked it up. Kucherov. He gets a hold of it. Washington puts its scoring line out. Moved ahead. Killorn. Wrist shot. Then Riemsdyk out over the blue line. We're on the verge of a scrap, Greg.
Ah, they look like they want to go, Jim.
They were trying, but neither man really got the upper hand.
Yeah, I think that one's a draw.
The face-off goes to Washington. Herdix steals it.
A 5-minute major for fighting.
Fehervari with it now. Cirelli.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Washington picks it up. McMichael. Cole shoulders him. Pass to head. Hagel scoops up the loose puck. McMichael.
The end of the first period is always interesting. This is when both teams will make adjustments to try to gain an edge in the second.
To book ice time, please call our front office during business hours.
Second period's about to start.
We should see lots of early pressure, Jim, as both sides try to set the tone.
The face-off goes to Tampa. Advances the puck. Brings it in. In the corner. Strome grabs the puck. Sheary goes to the backhand. Blocked. Paul takes control of the puck. Strome. Smith gets checked.
He just wouldn't let him by, Jim.
Cole gets hold of the puck. With a blistering shot, blocked. Paul jumps on the loose puck. Kucherov now with it. Washington grabbed it. Smith. The Capitals dump it. Brown scooped it up. Kucherov. Tampa in control now. Stamkos gets checked. Hedman now has the puck.
1-2. Fight 3.
Ahead to the neutral zone. Backstrom. Backhand. Leg saved by Vasilevsky. Fires. Blocked. Ovechkin shoots the puck. Hedman corrals it. Mantha with a wrist shot. Vasilevsky scores.
Loose puck after the initial shot led to that goal. Rebounds like that are lethal to a goal.
Now let's see if they can extend this lead even further.
Yeah, and they've got half a game left to try.
Chris shot. Sandin gets in the way. Quick pass up.
Anthony
Kuznetsov takes control of the puck.
Alexander Ovechkin.
He picks off the puck. Kuznetsov takes possession. Mantha now has it. Offside, Washington. The face-off goes to Tampa. Moved across. Cole finds the loose puck. Point. He gets shoved.
He couldn't duck that one.
Perry grabs the puck. The ref indicates a delayed call against Washington. He gets called for hooking. The face-off goes to the Lightning. Played up. Geno. Backhand shot from the right. Blocked. Fehervari. Sergachev gets the loose puck. Hedman has it. Washington gobbles it up. Sheary. Tampa jumps on it. Tampa needs to be making a line change soon. That's offside. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Point takes possession of the puck. One times it. Sandin. Sandine scoops up the loose puck. And out they come with the puck. Centered.
Change up! Change up!
Cole gets hold of the puck. Kuznetsov dumped it in. Tempa got it. Cole out of their defensive end. Advances the puck. Over the blue line. Geno gets pushed off the puck. Tampa grabbed it. With a wrist shot. Stoned by Kemper.
He used the pads to make the save.
Blocked. Move back. Hedman gets the shot off. Kucherov gets hammered. Played up. Washington puts its scoring line out. They dump the puck in. Washington takes over. Wilson is ready to drop the gloves again, and here they go.
Let's see if he gets the upper hand this time.
In this scrap,
His last fight was much better, and it was only a draw.
the ref is ready to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to the Lightning.
14.
Moved ahead. Oshie grabs the puck. Over center. Sheary dumps the puck in. Tampa gets a hold of it.
Line 4! Line 2!
Sheary. Smith has it now. In the corner. Fehervari took the puck. He takes possession. Fehervari pushes Perry. Centers it. Chernak gets the loose puck. Carlson gets late. Perry scores!
So many players love to send it high. And why not? It's a great way to score.
Things should heat up now that it's a one-goal game again.
Look for both teams to step up their game.
Geno! Wrist shot!
81.
Kemper hangs on for the whistle. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Milano. He jumps on the loose puck. Kuznetsov. Kuznetsov shoots. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. We're ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Washington. Fehervari misses the net. Carlson, cannonading shot. Menpa takes control of the puck. Cirelli. Washington has it now. Alexander Ovechkin. He scoops it up for the howitzer. Menpa takes it. Vasilevsky turned the shot aside. And out they come with a puck. Centered. Hagel with a wrist shot. Saved by Kemper. Paul moved ahead. Sergachev. Quick pass up. Played across. Hedman grabs the puck.
Line 2!
Oshie gets hit.
Some definite contact.
Minute of play in the second.
Sheary jumps on the loose puck. Hard one-timer. Tempa grabs it. Kucherov. In over the line. Wrist shot. Kemper makes the pad save.
Great save with the glove hand.
Recognize players from both teams who were born and raised right here in our community. Please take a look at the scoreboard for a full listing of our hometown heroes.
It's time for the third period.
In a game this close, you're going to want to keep it tight. Any breakdown could cost you the game.
Moved across. Moved ahead. Pass back. Advances the puck. Jensen. Centers it. Quick pass up. McMichael gets hold of the puck. Point. McMichael. Paul takes control of the puck. Jensen clotheslines. Point.
When you're on the road, you've got to play tough.
Jensen jumps on the loose puck. Point picks it off. Picked up by Washington.
Line 3!
Wilson. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. Oshie with the puck. Stick save. Oshie nails Stamkos. Strome takes control of the puck. Working along the perimeter. Sheary gets away a hard shot. Blocked. Stone cold by Vasilevsky. Geno. The Lightning dump the puck in. Scooped up by Washington. Alexander Ovechkin. Geno. Tampa scooped it up. Killorn one-timed it. Tampa picks it up.
Line 4!
Cole gets checked. Moved up. Moved ahead. Wilson has been a menace with his fists.
He pounded out a win earlier, and he's looking for another one.
Wilson may have taken the decision in the scrap, but he's getting ejected as well.
Well, losing him won't make it any easier on his team.
The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Kuznetsov wins the draw. Manta grabs the puck. Kemper makes the pad save. Pass back. Geno scores!
Now that's a goal! That'll definitely make the highlight reel.
This is not what they wanted for the third period.
Jim, they were looking for some insurance. Instead, they've let one in, and we've got a tie game.
Assisted by number 79.
Maroon shoots the puck. Hagel gets it. Cirelli fired it hard from the right. Offside. They're getting ready for the faceoff. McMichael takes possession. Smith shoots it quickly.
No challenge for the goalie that time.
Fehervari moved up. Quick pass up. Smith with a breakaway. Shoots the puck. Vasilevsky gets a pad on it. Brown jumps on the loose puck. Misses. Moved ahead. Brown, hard shot. Scores! Has to be disappointed after giving up a goal here in the third.
Well, they've got to scramble now. Every moment counts.
Sheary, wrist shot. Oshie takes control of the puck. Hedman gets checked. Sheary with the puck. Shoots it. Colton. Colton fires it. Strome gets rubbed off the puck. Tampa grabbed it. Colton out of their defensive end. Belmar grabs the puck. Mowed down.
He got his man that time.
Mantha gets the loose puck. The Capitals dump it in. Milano got it. Point. Over the blue line. Fires it! Kemper gets a pad on it! Jensen gets the pass from Kemper. Icing called against Washington. They're getting ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Lightning. Brings it out. Brown gets muscled off the puck. Tampa takes control. Out over the blue line. Passed ahead. Advances the puck. Pad save. Brown picks up the puck from Kemper out over the blue line. Smith scoops up the loose puck. In the corner. He scores!
He only had a split second to react to that pass. What concentration.
Time's running out on their chances.
You never say die, Jim, but from what we've seen so far, I don't know if they've got it in them.
Backstrom, assisted by number 42.
Hidman, one time! Kemper made the huge save!
Craig Smith.
That was a great save.
You need to be fast to stop a one-timer. You almost have no time to reposition yourself.
The action's about to start. Kilmore takes control of the puck. Nicholas Backstrom. Washington finds it. Cole. Kilmore jumps on the loose puck. Point. Shoots quickly. Blocked. Monpa with the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Point knocks him off the puck. Carlson. Jumped on by Washington. Carlson gets laid out. Milano scoops up the loose puck. Monpa shoots. Milano jumps on it. Stamkos. Shoved. Took him out of the play that time with a wrist shot. Saved by Kemper. He uses the pads and makes the save. Mantha. Sergachev has his pocket pick. Moved up. Kuznetsov gets the loose puck. Mantha. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. About to drop the puck. Holm won the faceoff. Vasilevsky made the pad save. Maroon one-timed it. He scores! He put it upstairs and the goalie just wasn't fast enough. Tampa strikes in the final minute of the game. The clock may not let them get the tying goal, though. Tampa is pulling their goalie. They don't think they can get it done 5-on-5, so they're going for broke. Put it in the books. Washington puts together a solid effort and earns the win. They were tape to tape with their passing all game long. No surprise they find themselves on top of the scoreboard after that display.
92, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Tonight's second star, Tampa Bay number 10, Corey Perry.
From Washington, D.C., and for EA Sports, I'm Jim Houston.
And I'm Craig Simpson. Have a great one.